I just got here to the hair place. I'm gonna go get my hair done and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. This is the color brown it is. I'll put a before picture like right here so you guys could see, and then I'll also feature it in the thumbnail. I'm so excited and I cannot wait till you guys see it. And of course I have my Starbucks. Gotta have Starbucks when you're getting your hair did. Alright guys, my hair is done. Let me, all done. Whew. I like it. I just wish she would have got like closer to the roots because it looks like this has been outgrown or something. But it's cute. I like it. I don't know. Some parts are like silverish gray, which she said that was gonna happen, but whatever. Say hi. Alright, I want to show you guys my hair real quick. We're gonna eat lunch and then I'll vlog some more. Alright guys, I just got done doing my makeup. I don't know how I feel about my hair. I like it, but like there's too many silver tones in here. And it just like, I don't like the silver brassiness of it, but whatever. What can you do? Anyways, still waiting for Josh to get home. It's taking forever. Well, my eyebrows look like huge. Again, thick. Anyways, I'm trying to get away from Maddie so I could film my vacation haul, but she won't leave me alone. But yeah, I'm tired. Sorry, you guys have to see the steering wheel. Anyways, we are about to go to Target right now.
Yeah.
And return some stuff.
Mom.
What, baby?
Mommy, cup.
You want a cup?
No, please.
Okay. Anyways, we're about to go to Target. I did my makeup and stuff. Like I said earlier.
Ow.
Sorry, there's a car passing by. And Josh is still at work. Okay, guys, this is our pool. What are you doing, babe? Why? It has seats on it, which is pretty cool. Oh, I gotta take a picture for my dad. He said he wanted to see it. So we just made hamburgers and hot dogs. Well, Josh is still working on the hamburgers, but I'm gonna eat a hot dog right now because I'm freaking starving, guys. And then I got some peppers on the side, and then some Coke. Come on.
Flashy thingy.
Come here.
Okay, kid. Why don't you tell me about yourself?
Hi. It's me.
It's me.
What's
her name? Maddie.
Mommy.
Maddie.
Mommy.
Well, they're on the wrong feet, honey.
Okay.
Wait,
Mommy.
something's
Maddie.
not right.
Mommy.
Madison.
Sisters. Yes. Anyways,
Your name is Madison. Here.
Never trust anyone who doesn't tea party. Look at you, Mr. Fuzzguts!
Oh, those are some crazy secrets, plushy thingy. Want to hear mine?
Good night, fleshy thingy.
Oh my God, gosh.
Teach you how to tie a constrictor knot.
I feel so sick. It's Friday. 2 more days until we go to Mexico.
Hey, Mom.
And I feel like
Do you
crap.
want to wait?
What, baby?
Mommy, okay.
Yeah. What's she saying? Anyways, we got all our stuff packed.
Hey, Mom.
I don't know if it's cheese, baby.
Hi. He's
Say thank you, Mama.
What do you do?
She's been so obsessed with cheese lately, guys. It's crazy. Anyways, I tried cleaning up, but I don't feel good. I'm debating on taking the Theraflu. I don't know if that's a good idea, though. I feel like I'll feel like really lazy tomorrow.
Mom,
What, baby?
that one.
No. Oh, I feel like crap. Anyways, I just want to show you guys how we're packed and how successful I feel about it. Hi guys, so it's Saturday, 2 more days, including today, until we go to Mexico, and I'm so excited. I feel like it's going by extremely slow, but it's okay. Anyways, I just got done cleaning, doing Maddie's hair, doing my makeup, packing, getting my carry-on stuff ready to go, and uploading a video. So I've done a lot today, and I've mopped too, which I don't mop that often. Like I do, but like it's like once a week. But I usually, it takes me a while to want to do it. So anyways, I mopped, and then I'm making myself soup and Maddie's soup as well. And then I'm gonna finish editing, not editing this video, like finalizing it on YouTube for like thumbnail, tags, stuff like that. So I'm doing that right now. Well, I'm gonna go do that. And then I'm gonna get dressed. I want to go to MAC store real quick because I want to get the bronzing powder and the it's like a lip gloss, but it's like it's called like a glass lip gloss. I want to grab that too, and I'm excited for tomorrow because I'm gonna get my eyelashes done, my nails and toes done, and yeah, so it's gonna be a lot of fun stuff going on, and I'm super excited. That's what I'm really excited for, is for tomorrow, just to get my eyelashes done is like what I'm most excited about, and my toes and nails. So it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, not much going on today. Well, I do have my sister's barbecue at 4, so I'm gonna wait till Josh gets back, and then I'm gonna get dressed and then go to MAC real quick, and then by that time hopefully Josh is ready, and then we'll be heading to my sister's barbecue. I'm not gonna stay out late tonight though, just because I want to finish getting everything cleaned for the house so I don't have to do it when we get back. Yeah, I'm not gonna straighten my hair or anything. I'm probably gonna take a shower again because I took one last night, and I'm gonna take another one Sunday because I can't wet my eyelashes, which I didn't think about that. I should have got my eyelashes done today, but anyways, I can't wet my eyelashes for 24 hours. Oh fuck, that means I can't even go in the pool. Oh my god. I guess I could go in the pool, I just can't wet my face. So I'm gonna take a shower tomorrow morning. I'll wash my body today, but tomorrow I'm gonna take like a full shower, and then like tomorrow morning, and then go get my eyelashes done. Yep. So, and then we have another barbecue to go to tomorrow, which I'm gonna just get my nails and toes done because that's not till 4, and then we'll probably head over there after. It's a lot of driving, but I'm super excited. I have like a dimple in my chin, but yeah, lots going on. I just can't wait to not go to work for a week and a half. Like, that's what I'm most excited about, is not going to work. Like, I don't even, like, if I was on vacation, I wouldn't even care if I just stood here, honestly, but it's gonna be so fun.